One of my favorite memories of Massey College was I was early in my tenure. Hugh had just become principal, and I was trying to find my way around without a manual. And I was looking at the schedule of events, and I saw that there was a Seder dinner. And I thought, I wonder if I can go to that. I'm curious. And I was invited, and I sat down, and Hugh began singing, and I remember looking around the room, and people could see that I was disoriented, but there was a really genuine sense of welcome that I very much appreciated, and the person to my right and the person to my left helped me explore what gefilte fish was, and what this was, and what this was, and what this meant, and I just genuinely felt like I was part of the table. I wasn't a visitor, but I was part of the table, and I think that really encapsulates my Massey experience. I haven't felt like that I've been on the outside of it, that inclusion is always something that is one of the guiding principles of the college.